Humorous productivity. It was not a routine day for Alok Gupta, the general manager, productivity services. A study in the latest issue of the American Management Journal gave him the opportunity to impress the managing director. The published paper had established a link between humor and productivity. It said that if a workplace was filled with humor everywhere, it automatically boosted people's productivity. Alok Gupta showed this article to the managing director and requested that he would like to study the American experiments in person and in the very same plant where these experiments were conducted and implement them in their plant. The MD had a hearty laugh. Alok first find out from the journal editor as to when was the study conducted in the US, when was the research paper submitted to the journal, and when was it finally accepted, and what was the time gap in the paper acceptance and the publication of this paper. This seems to be an old study, the MD continued. They had found out nearly 30 years ago that the American workers' productivity was the lowest on Friday when they dreamt of how to spend their weekend, and on Mondays when they had a hangover of all the fun that they had on Saturday and Sunday. They worked seriously only on Wednesdays. America doesn't manufacture anything anymore. You'll have to go either to China or Taiwan to see a man at the machine. And the Chinese and the Japanese never even smile at work. They are the incarnations of machines themselves. Why don't you evolve new methods of improving productivity through humor implementation on our shop floor? The American humor is like their accent, which we don't understand at all. The MD put the ball back in Gupta's court. Alok Gupta had a tough time evolving a humor strategy because the sense of humor changes from one person to another. And writing good humor is not a joke. Nobody understands subtle humor anymore. All those who could appreciate good humor had either retired or taken a voluntary retirement. The younger generation needs a loud and cheap humor through rap songs. Alok started looking out for rap songwriters. He asked his HR guy to advertise online. Sir, you don't require to advertise for the songwriters, the HR guy explained. People find it online and convert it in their own language. Marathi, Hindi, Kannada, Bangla, you name it, and we get it. Even our IT guys can do it. Nobody will check if the language is correct. What matters is the loud music and the drum beat and an identical rhyme without any meaning. I'll find out if Alexa or Siri can do it, and also search with ChatGPT, which is freely available online. Alok Gupta then asked his personal assistant to check the shorts on YouTube and other humorous series on Netflix and OTT. She showed him instantaneously. Oh, great! Alok said, knowing full well that she herself was watching them all the time and pretending to be so busy in her work. The managing director was not in favor of putting up cartoons on walls. He said, if they look up at the cartoon on the wall, they will make drastic mistake in the machine operation that requires full concentration. I just don't want any accidents on the shop floor. Shall we organize film shows on weekends or during their lunch break at least? Gupta consulted his secretary Monica, who was not technically qualified but had a very practical brain. So, we don't require to invest in any such novel ideas. Just one remedial measure will take care of the boost in productivity, Monica said. What is it, Monica? I'll give you an additional increment if your idea gets me results, Gupta said desperately because he wanted to impress the MD. So, I think you should lift a ban on watching the YouTube during work hours. Let us remove the CCTVs installed above their heads. Let people have all the freedom to entertain themselves on the condition that they do not deviate from their achievement target. Let them find it out for themselves as to what makes them laugh and be merry. Their laughter will take care of their productivity. And guess what? After 6 months, Gupta gave Monica not just one but two increments.